What's up, guys? This is Sage, and if you can get me to 100,000 subscribers, I will reveal my identity. Yeah, I will reveal my identity. If you can eventually get me to 100,000 subscribers, I will not fail your promise. I am an art content creator. I create art projects like this, and I am willing to reveal my identity to you if you can get me to 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, it's possible. If you want me to reveal this my handsome face, you have to subscribe to me. Look at my lips. You have to subscribe to me so I can get to 100,000 subscribers and you can see my handsome face. Yeah, I'm not joking. I'm literally so handsome. You don't want to miss my face? Subscribe to me so we can get to 100,000 subscribers. And I'll see you. Peace out.